Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet and to the point, guys. If you don't mind leaving a like, I would really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button, take the notification bell so you're notified of my future videos. And if you want to get a leverage trading, guys, Coincatch is a great option, no KYC. If you want to sign up, that link is pinned in the first comment description. If you learn how to trade, set up your account, transfer funds, and use trading tools, tutorial video I put up. I'll put a link up to the video now if you want to check it out. So if you watched the last video, guys, I told you it was very likely we could see some downside in the markets because of these tariffs. That was this video here. I did mention your key support was 93,384, and I did mention another chart, and I said it was 93,000. That was actually 92,000. I'm going to cover that right now. So I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. So in Discord, I made a post. This was the chart I was referring to. We hit support on D1 simple. If we do not get a bounce from here, we're going much lower. So this was a point to enter along. We were support on H1, support on D1, and I'll show you this in just a sec. And we were just below that that target I gave you on the previous video, and you can see the center dotted line and the support level here. So again, a lot of confluence for a point too long. We did push up from that point, and that is right here. And I just want to show you why we caught a bounce there. If I zoom out, you can see this is previously resistance, and that is still our support. So while yes, I would stay bullish above 92,044, we are at a critical resistance, and I'm going to show you why this is a critical resistance. Now on my chart, this fib line, again, the way I read my charts, this is a key level, but it's no coincidence that we're at this level. Let me give you a price level here. We are at resistance on this at this fib line. So look, if we get above 99,657 on the daily, hold support, then I think we're bullish for some higher targets. Keep in mind the center Bollinger Band on the daily is around 102, say 102,500. So pay attention to 99,657. And another pattern that we're in, now this is a post previously in Discord, but this is what we're testing right now as resistance. This was posted a while back, so price is further along. But I just want to show you, I talked about this larger pattern we're in. We are actually testing the bottom of this wedge, and you can see that right here. And that is the same level that I just showed you on the that D1 chart right here, D1 fib retracement. That is this level right here. We got a perfect rejection, 99,657. So again, this could be a point to open a short if you're not already in. If you do get above that and hold support, then I would start flipping bullish, but we have to get above that point, and you can see that's that line that I just showed you here in Discord. This line here, that is the bottom of that rising wedge we're testing. And it's, again, it's no coincidence that it's this white line that I mentioned in the previous video, and actually the video before that. This is going to be a key resistance level, plus we have this yellow line is the bottom of that wedge that we broke down from that we're testing as resistance. So again, if we get above 99,650, guys, get bullish for some higher targets. On the hourly, your next resistance level to pay attention to is around 100,800, and your next resistance above that, 103,894. And then your most critical resistance above, as I mentioned before, is going to be this white line right here, around 106,658. But again, the main takeaway, guys, if you get above 99,650 and hold on the daily, be bullish for some more upside. Otherwise, if we do not get above this point, then we're probably going to head down to some lower targets. First support level in the hourly is around 98,122. And obviously, you can see we found support down around this area. So this is another support level in the hourly as well, and that is around 94,145. But again, regardless, if we do not get above 99,650 and we start heading down, then the main level you want to pay attention to is the support level here, which is around 92,000. If that breaks, the next support level to pay attention to is around 87,100. And I'm not saying we have to drop anytime soon, guys, but it's good to have these targets just in case. If we did drop below that, your next key support level would be at around 77,000, and we do have a gap down there. I'm not saying we have to head there anytime soon, but it's good to have these targets just in case. And if we do push up, guys, well, I can tell you that our next resistance level is probably going to be up around 112,000. It is very possible we could be in some kind of pattern like this, where we're just bouncing back and forth until something happens, either break to the upside or the downside. But those are your key levels. Again, I would short the hell out of that. If we got up around 109, 110, 112, I would short that. But before we can even consider that, we need to get above 99,657. So that's why I want to make this video really quick. The DXY I mentioned in the previous video, I told you to pay attention to see if aftermarket trading was down for the Dow. It was down like close to 700 points. And as you can see, I said if the DXY starts pushing up, you know, we'll have downside for Bitcoin. Notice we pushed up and we tested this fib channel line. Again, this is the US dollar DXY. We tested this parallel channel that we broke down from as resistance and this fib line right at around 109.9 and then got rejected. So again, if you follow the US dollar, you follow the markets, you can kind of get an idea of what's going to happen with Bitcoin. But again, just pay attention, see if we get above 99,650, get bullish if we do. Otherwise, this might be a good point to enter a short with a stop above. But guys, that's the level I'm watching right now. And of course, like I said, if we break below 92,000, your next major support level is around 87,000. And if we break that, well, I'll make another video and we'll go from there. But guys, again, if you get into leverage trading, Coincatch is a great option. No KYC. If you want to sign up, that link's pinned first comment description. Leave a like, I'd appreciate it. And do check out that tutorial video if you want to learn how to use the tools. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.